The new Urban Spatial Science MSc in CASA gives our students a unique opportunity to study cities through a CASA lens, through a data lens, whilst understanding the kind of theories underpinning urban patterns and processes.
Urban spatial science is a science that tries to understand what you observe in cities, all the emergent phenomena that you observe. There isn't a single discipline that can really look at all these different interactions and understand this behavior. So we bring complexity science in order to try to understand how to model these things.
So we all use data, we all use computational methods, we all use models to try and understand and explain how people inhabit the world and try and use these things to make our cities better.
Students collaborate with staff and industry partners to solve a pertinent city challenge. Things such as estimating emissions for individual buildings based on aggregated data. It can also include optimising transportation networks or improving cycling proficiency across cities. In all cases, there's some sort of applied outcome that can be acted upon by local city or municipal governments across the world, not just in the UK.
My research project is about creating a measure of local connectivity in London. It's a project that's in collaboration with TfL, and it works on creating a close proximity to essential services within a 15-minute radius.
My research project is about understanding how the built environment can have an impact on people's perceived safety when walking on the streets. I will be measuring people's heart rate by having them wear Fitbits, noise pollution, how quiet or how busy a street is, traffic. The overall goal is to have people feel more safe, but more than only that, also understanding which elements could be changed and impacting people's decisions when they're planning cities and making projects of infrastructure, also help create more inviting spaces for everyone and more equal spaces.
The thing that makes CASA unique is the mix of people that we've got working here. We're a mixture of geographers, planners, architects, mathematicians, computer scientists, artists.
I'm working with software engineers, analysts, consultants, people who represent a diverse group of skill sets and a lot of geographic and global diversity as well.
I really appreciated the range of tools the course provided me with. Firstly, in terms of the technological tools, we learned the broad ranges from like Python to R to SQL, and that really helped me understand what kind of tools they are, what kind of analysis people do, and then I can pick and choose and combine them.
I was already in the workplace when I joined the course, but I didn't really have an expertise or specialism at that point, so I used the Masters to kind of craft that. And post my Masters, I was able to enter into a position that is really well aligned with the interests that I had around quantitative and spatial analysis, doing business cases, and these are all skills that I'm using on a day-to-day basis in my job now.
Graduates from the Urban Spatial Science programme will have the skills in data science, understanding urban systems that will enable them to go off into the world and run the cities in the future.